we're here at our local park. This is a Maricopa County Park, and it's the closest one to us, and we love it here. We come here sometimes 2 times a week. Not always to camp, but to mountain bike. Sometimes we just come and, you know, do a little cookout. So we are huge fans of this park. So you have, here's your water, and you have your electric, pretty standard electric connections here for RVs. This site is a pull-through site, so it's set up for those large RVs, but it was available, so we took it. Picnic table, and you have your fire pit out here, and this nice little circle of space here is really, really nice, and no one is behind you, so this isn't a bad site.
Hey guys. Ow. Elliot. Hey buddy. Morning.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard time.
So just a few things we've done to the inside of the camper just to try to get a little more space. One thing we did is we just bring this cutting board with us, and then we can kind of set it over the sink, and then we can use this as a food prep space. We went command hook crazy. There's command hooks here, my jacket's on one, the hat, here's one here, and then we just picked up these shelves. They just stick to the cabinet, and then we laid them down here under the trim, so we'd have some more space. We put one here next to the microwave. And then on the other side of this cabinet, we have all the dog food in here. And the last thing that we did is we put these mesh storage areas above the cab over bed. Oh, and this thing here that we bought at home, we stick like chargers and books and glasses in there. And it just kind of tucks in beside the bed. So this has given us a little more storage, which we greatly need in this tiny camper. And that's everything we've done so far. And I think that's probably where we're going to leave it with storage. We might put some more mesh storage, maybe right here. And then we were talking about maybe putting one under here.
You and I can weather any storm. Before sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through and through.
Baby, how am I supposed to play Scrap?
No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Do a quick tour of the outside of this 2023 Travel Light Super Light 590. So we'll start here at the back. This is just your storm door. You have a screen door. I think I probably showed this on the inside, but this is a pass-through. And the camper is 5 foot 9 inches, not the cab over, but this back section. So it did have to rest part of it on the tailgate. So the tailgate is down, which kind of put me in a bind with the bike rack. I had this hitch mount bike rack that went right in here into the hitch there, but the swing away has worked, and now I'm able to use the bike rack. So here's the back. Here's your connections for power, your grab bar. There's a vent. Those are outdoor speakers. That's a porch light. There's an outdoor speaker over here. This is the solar for the jacks. These are electric happy jacks that came on the camper. And then you have an outside electric outlet here. On this side, here's your propane. This holds a 20-gallon propane bottle. And then this is just the vent for the Dometic furnace that runs off of propane. The only other thing on this side is a window. Got downspouting there for the rain. And then here's the front. And then on this side, the other window, that vent is for there's over the cooktop, there's like a fan. And then this is your outdoor shower. And then in here, it's a little blocked by this tent. The showers are kind of far away, so we set up this pop-up tent so we could take a shower. So this is kind of in the way, but this is a tankless hot water heater. So you have hot water on demand, which we don't even have in the house. And then this is city water connection. You want to connect to city water. There are no gray or black tanks here. There is no toilet here, but we do have a cassette toilet that we can bring along that they provided. And the fill, the purpose for the tanks might be to lower weight as well. But the sink, if you use it, it just drains right here, and then you just put a bucket down to collect the water. So that's it. That's the outside tour.